Welcome to Manual Actions. This is a dashboard that allows individual users to be assigned manual calls or manual SMS. Oftentimes, you may not want to use an automated action or response to some of your contacts. In this case, you might want to create some manual actions for your team members to follow up with. Right now, we see 0 manual actions that are due. Before we go and show you how to create a manual action and then how to use this dashboard, let's take a look at the steps that you have available. Here, we can start by the different workflows that we have for the manual actions, and we can select the assignee. In this case, Bob Lake has 0 manual actions or pending tasks to do. In order to create a manual action, we can go to the workflow list, create a new workflow, choose a particular trigger that you want to occur before the manual action is assigned, and then search for manual actions. You have 2 communication options, a manual action to SMS and a manual action to call. In our case, we can add an SMS. We could choose a pre-designed template, such as one of our SMS templates, and then we can save that action. If you want to assign a team member, look for Assign to User, select the user, and you can choose whether or not to only apply this to unassigned contacts and save the action. That way, it will assign this contact that gets tagged with customer, assign it to Bob Lake, and he will now have a manual step to approve and send this SMS. Once we're happy, we will publish this workflow. We will go to one of our conversations and add the tag customer. After adding the customer tag, we can go to our manual actions and see that Bob Lake now has a manual action to send an SMS. When we click on the Let's Start button, this will start our manual actions. If you have multiple, it will go back to back between each one of the SMS and manual calls. You can also go in and delete individual manual actions, but in our case, let's click on Let's Start. When we click on Let's Start, it'll automatically pre-fill in the text message that we are going to send. In the case of a phone call, it'll automatically start calling this individual. After you've completed your manual action, it will automatically move on to the next.